When you place your order, you'll receive an impression kit in the mail. Inside you'll find a gel ice pack, 3 wax pendants, numbered preference stickers, a return post bag, baking paper, a price guarantee card outlining our 1 or 6 month price guarantees, and a return card. Before you begin, find a flat surface and lay down your baking paper. Take a moment to look at your pendant. The edges are naturally organic and hand finished, so handle them with care. This piece is more intricate in design than our other pieces, so it's important to be more controlled and directional with your heat while working with the wax. When you're ready, light your lighter, turn it sideways, and angle the flame towards the pendant to create the most directional heat possible. Slowly and evenly wave the flame across the surface of the wax. The smaller the lighter you use, the more precise and controlled the heat will be. If the link at the top of the pendant becomes impacted or changes shape slightly while heating the wax, please don't worry. Our jewelers can easily restore and refine this in the studio. Heat the wax until it looks glossy and wet, then lightly tap your finger across the surface. There is no need to press hard. A gentle, even touch is all it takes to capture the detail of your print. You can work in sections, heating and pressing into one half at a time for multiple prints. You may also choose to leave areas blank, perfect for setting a stone or adding a small engraving. This pendant is only suitable for single-sided impressions. If you aren't happy with the impression you have made, simply wait 1 minute, reheat and try again. The wax can be reheated 2 to 3 times to achieve your perfect print. Once you're satisfied, inspect each pendant front and back and place them in their numbered containers with your preference stickers. Fill out your return card and seal everything in the return post bag. Your impressions will then be transformed into your final piece using the lost wax casting method, rendered in solid metal and made to last.